Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Washef at Vareva.com. We all love Malai Kofta. Today, I am going to show you how to make the koftas made with paneer, aloo in nice korma gravy. Dear friends, first let's learn how to make these koftas. For this, I have taken grated paneer. Just grate them with a fine sieve so that it will be easy for us to bind later. In this, just add the equal quantities of potatoes, not too much. This is boiled potatoes which have been grated thin. In this, we are going to add some cardamom powder. Cardamom powder in this koftas gives a very nice aroma, and in this add finely chopped green chili and some kasuri methi, very little of kasuri methi. Add some garam masala powder. That should be good enough, and if you want, you can add little bit of all purpose flour, that is maida, in this, and just mix all of this and make this into a nice dumpling. In this, also add salt to taste. Now you can make your koftas in any shape, whether you want to make them round or even a slight bullet shape, whatever shape you want. You can just I'm just going to make them little bit into the shape of a cutlet kind of thing. What you do with these koftas is just roll them in the flour, all purpose flour, that is maida. That way the outer coating will be nice and your koftas will not break when you fry them in a hot oil. And just fry them till they are nicely golden in color. Look at this, perfect. And now that the koftas are all ready, let's go ahead and learn how to make this awesome korma gravy, which I am going to enrich by adding some malai, that is cream. This almond, melon seeds, cashew nut and poppy seeds. You need to let this boil for at least 15 minutes. That is when even the poppy seeds become slightly soft and you will be able to put in a blender and make into a fine paste. Put in a blender along with fried onions. We have this paste ready. When this garam masala sizzles, we are going to add some cumin seeds. Add ginger garlic paste. In this, we are going to add tomato puree. Now, once this is cooked, we are going to add this paste of nuts. In this, add 1 full teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, turmeric, always add in the oil. Now, in this, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Now, just mix all of this. This looks good. Even before this comes to a boil, we are going to add just 2-3 tablespoons of curd, beaten curd. Once it comes to boil, the curd may curdle a little bit, so add it in this. Now, look at this. The gravy is nice, silky, and it is not too thick. There is a reason why I made this gravy not too thick, because we are going to pour this over the koftas. We are not going to put the koftas inside this because they are going to absorb the juices and they are going to break if you are going to mix it too much. Because I made a very delicate koftas using paneer and potatoes. Now, this gravy is almost ready. I am going to slightly enrich this, not slightly, I am going to enrich this with cream. So, I am going to add 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of nice malai, that is the cream, into this and mix. Wow. And now, I just want to bring this to a 1 boil. And also, after you add the cream, just make sure you check the taste, because perfect. That is the reason why I added a little extra salt, because I knew that once I add the cream, the salt is going to be less. But this is perfect. Do not cook this too much. Just bring this to a boil. Look at this. I am just going to pour this on this koftas. Okay. To add this gravy to the koftas only just before finishing the dish. If you add too much in advance also, they will become a little bit too much soggy. Okay. This is perfect, and we are going to just add some chopped coriander. You can give a nice garnish of cream. After adding the koftas into the gravy, the koftas are going to absorb some of the juices. That's how the koftas will become nice and juicy. But look at this, they are nice, soft and delicate. I'm telling you, my wife liked these koftas and I'm so glad I made them today. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session of learning how to make this fantastic silky koftas. But do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. Thank you.